Tired of your Aisensy contacts looking like a digital jumbled mess? Let's untangle that. Today, we're going to walk through creating categories in Aisensy, so you can supercharge your contact management and laser focus your WhatsApp marketing. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Contacts tab. You'll usually find this on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Look for a button or section labeled Categories. It's often located near the top or side of the contact list. Click on it. Now, you should see an option to create category. Click on that. A pop-up window will appear. In the pop-up, you'll be prompted to name your category. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the group of contacts you want to include, such as loyal customers, new leads, or VIP clients. After entering your desired category name, click the Save or Create button. Your new category will now appear in your list of categories. To add contacts to your new category, simply select the contacts you want to include from your contact list and drag and drop them into the category you just created. Alternatively, you can usually edit individual contact profiles and assign them to categories from there. And that's it. You've successfully created a category in Aisensy. Now you can segment your audience, send targeted messages, and achieve better results with your WhatsApp marketing campaigns. Happy campaigning! Don't forget to subscribe for more Aisensy tips and tricks.